Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing some lemon DIYs. I am so excited because this is part of a fun collab with these beautiful talented ladies. The hosts are Diane and Janie from Deco Easy. There is going to be a 100 PayPal giveaway, so all you have to do to participate is go comment on each and everyone's video. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. For this DIY, I will be using one of the Dollar Tree plastic baskets. This is already gray, but it does look plastic, so I decided to spray paint this using this metallic color, and I'm going to go and spray paint it. And this is how it looks. It looks so much better. It actually looks like a metallic. Now I didn't spray paint the bottom since I am going to add 2 of the Dollar Tree bamboo cutting board. I will be reusing one of them because I only had one left. I'm going to go ahead and stain these using the Waverly Antique Wax. Once they were dry, all I did was just place them inside the basket. I didn't glue them or anything, or even I didn't even glue both of them together either. All I just did was place them because they fit there perfectly. And now I'm going to make candles. I will be using the Dollar Tree faux leather ribbon in the color dark brown. I love it. It matches the antique wax. Now I'm going to add the other handle to the other side, and that is it for this decorative tray. I think it turned out beautiful, and it looks so high-end, and it was so easy and inexpensive to make. For my next DIY, I will be making a lemon plant. Now these are the materials I will be using from Dollar Tree. I will be using one of these pots, a greenery that I already had, and these lemons are from Hobby Lobby. They were $6.99, but I got these a while back when they still accepted the coupon, so I did get them cheaper. Some Dollar Tree floral foam and pebbles. I just start off by using one of these pots or planters from the Dollar Tree, but I do end up switching it later on using one of the Dollar Tree ceramic pots. I used that one instead of this one. So all I did was just place some pebbles inside the bucket, and then I added the floral foam. I then put the stem leaf in the center and added some pebbles around it. I did grab the smallest lemons, and then I started to glue them, and the way I glued them was on the leaf. I did try it to glue it like at the very end of the stem, but they wouldn't stay, so I just decided to glue it on the leaf. And I added 5. Here is where I decided to switch it to this ceramic pot from Dollar Tree. I think it's not ceramic. I keep calling it ceramic, a clay pot. All I did was distress it a little bit using some white chalk paint, and then I repeated the same thing I did earlier. And that is it for this lemon tree. I think it turned out beautiful. My next DIY is so easy and simple to do. Now from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use one of these canvases and this beautiful wall art. I'm going to start by removing the picture from the frame. I'm going to set the frame aside. I can totally use this in some other DIY. I then remove the top part of the canvas. I tried to do it very slowly and not rip it, but I totally ripped it. I then flipped the picture around and started tracing the square, but I made sure that it was on top of the home sweet home. I then cut it. I used my regular glue stick to glue the home sweet home right on top of the laundry room. I wasn't sure what to do with this DIY, honestly. I thought I was just gonna put it there, but since I did end up ripping the bottom, it kind of looked weird because it wasn't centered. So what I decided to do was use the leftover of the wall art and then just trace the rest of the canvas. So like that, I can cut it and glue it. And like that, the home sweet home, it was gonna be like a 3D instead. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful and it complements the lemon tree. For my next DIY, I will be using some of the lemon scrap paper from Hobby Lobby. And this decor sign that I already had, it's from Dollar Tree. I did paint the top using some white chalk paint. I am basically doing the same thing. I cut the paper to the size of the decor and glued it. Hobby Lobby carries so many beautiful scrap paper. I love this lemon one. Now for the top part, I'm using a Dollar Tree wood little square. This is from the Crafter Square packs and I'm going to paint it white. Once it was dry, I just glued it right in the center using hot glue. I'm going to put fresh lemons and I use my Cricut to print out the word fresh. Now for the word lemons, I'm using these Dollar Tree transfer stickers. Now Dollar Tree carries so many different stickers you can use instead. And that is it for this fresh lemons decor sign. I think it turned out so cute. For my next DIY, it's not really a DIY. I'm basically just decorating this little basket that I got, or actually that I won on a giveaway on Instagram, but it looks like it's from the Target dollar spot. And I'm using this beautiful lemon ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now I am going to put it all around the basket, and in order for it to fit, I did add a little bit of the hot glue on the top part and then I twisted it, and all I did was just go around the basket over under. And when I'm going around it on the outside, I did skip a hole, so like that you can see the lemon ribbon a lot since it has these beautiful little lemons and it's so cute. Once I was finished, I did tie it and just cut the rest off, and I thought I was going to be able to add a bow on the front, which I tried to, but since it was kind of lumpy, I did push the ribbon back, and the bow, the string I tied it with, I just put it through the hole and tied it on the other side. Hopefully that made sense. The last thing I did was just add the lemons inside this little cute basket. And that is it, guys. I think this turned out so beautiful and it looks so cute right next to the other DIYs. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget, there is going to be a giveaway. All you have to do is go to the link down in the description box so you can go to the next person in the hop and comment on everyone's video. I also want to thank everyone who voted for me. Thanks to y'all, I get to move to round 2. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.